These days, most games on the Xbox are acquired through digital downloads. What I mean is that more and more people are buying games online and using redemption codes instead of buying a physical disc. Today I got mine in an email when I pre-ordered Forza Horizon 5 Premium Edition. And if you have a game code for Xbox, keep watching and I'll show you how to redeem and install your new game. On the Xbox, select and open the Store tab. Here, go to the left column and scroll down and select Redeem. This is where I'll enter the code from my email. An important thing for you to know is that official Xbox game codes are 25 digits. That's definitely a requirement. If you have more or less characters, it's not a valid Xbox code. Codes that are not 25 digits will have to be redeemed on the website that issued them before you will be sent an official code. When done, select the Enter button on the bottom right. At this time, it's a good idea to confirm the Xbox account that will receive this game. And there's no way to transfer the game to another account if you redeem to the wrong Xbox account. So if this email is incorrect, cancel and then log into the correct account before redeeming the code. I know I have mine right, so I'll select Next. And here I'll select Confirm to start the installation of Forza Horizon 5. On the last screen, just close out of this menu. Then I'll go back to the home screen and select My Games and Apps so I can check the download and installation progress. To do that, go to Manage and then the queue. Here I can see the Horizon 5 install information. And since I bought the Premium Edition, I can see that there are 2 included expansion packs that are also lined up to install. This is a really large game file, so I'm going to let this download overnight. And here's the last thing you need to know. If you got a game that's a pre-order like mine, it won't be ready to play until the release date, even though the game is fully installed. But when Microsoft flips the switch to make the game active, it will be ready to play the first minute on the launch date. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.